All right. So week 9, or rather, sorry, excuse me, chapter 9 for IT 280. This chapter is all about being a professional and some of the ideas or sort of really the mindsets and skills that you need to develop as a professional in the computing disciplines and for other disciplines as well. So the idea of troubleshooting when there is a problem of trying to figure out and creating a way to be able to identify what is the problem and what is uh, a solution, not I don't even want to say necessarily the solution, because many times in computing instances there's multiple ways that a problem can be addressed and fixed. It could be changing in technology or in processes or people or just a variety of different things that are very dependent upon whatever is the problem. So this chapter is trying to introduce you to the concept and developing the skill set and the mindset of somebody that can troubleshoot issues. And it introduces several different types or methods of troubleshooting. The terms that it uses for those are top down, bottom up, divide and conquer, and then subs describe a different method, a different way to approach troubleshooting. Top down, sequentially. For instance, if somebody says my computer's not working, you might start with saying, okay, well, let's look at um, the point where you touch the mouse. Does the mouse move? Do you see it on the monitor? Does the keyboard work? And kind of go down. You could say, well, let's start at the bottom. Is there power to the computer? Is it plugged in? Is it turned on? Um, and lots of other examples that could be given. Divide and conquer, being able to split tasks into or split a problem into multiple tasks perhaps, or delegate those to other people. Substitution, maybe the problem is a cable broke. Well, can we use a different cable? Can we substitute that? So it's an important chapter. It's totally different than the previous chapters in this semester because it's not related to the technology at all. It's really about developing the ideas and the mindset, the behaviors and the patterns of somebody who sees a problem, and instead of just being stuck and saying, well, there's a problem, I don't know, figuring it out. And what are some solutions? What are some strategies to help figure out the reason for the problem and how to be able to fix it? That is a super important skill for professionals. Technology changes. What's in vogue today, what's popular today is going to be very different than what's popular 3 years or 5 years from now in technology. But the ability to troubleshoot, the ability to think and to develop that skill set, that mindset, super important. As a hiring manager, I will definitely take somebody who is a good troubleshooter and has the inquisitive mind to figure stuff out much more readily than somebody who might be really good at something, but if it goes outside of that one little area, then they just say, don't know. So something to be aware of. Those are the key terms. It's really just that idea about troubleshooting: top down, bottom up, divide and conquer, and substitution. That's what this chapter is about. Thanks. Aloha.